Oh my gosh! Boom, I got a water snake! What's going on, guys? I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Right behind me here, we have a bunch of mallard ducks, a super cool North American duck species. So we are going to film these guys and teach you a little bit about the mallard duck. Without further ado, let's get right into it. The mallard duck is the most widespread duck species throughout the world and is native to North America, Asia, Europe, and has been introduced to a variety of other continents. Mallard ducks can get eaten by a variety of animals, including foxes, coyotes, skunks, raccoons, and even snapping turtles. As seen in the video, one of the mallard ducks is upside down in the water. That specific duck is searching for food on the bottom of the pond. This is commonly seen within these mallard ducks, and these mallard ducks can be found eating a variety of aquatic plant life, as well as insects and crustaceans. Multiple mallard ducks are commonly seen together in what is known as a raft, or a group of ducks. Mallard ducks are sexually dimorphic, meaning that males and females are different. Male mallard ducks can be seen with a iridescent green on their heads as well as a yellow beak, while females can be seen with a brown coloration with an orange beak. And as we wrapped up observing these amazing animals, we came out of this encounter with a new appreciation for these magnificent ducks. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you guys learned something new about these amazing animals. Make sure to subscribe down below, and remember that you are always welcome to the wilderness. We'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this adventure, check out the 2 videos on the screen. And tap on the logo to make sure to subscribe to our channel for weekly wildlife adventures.